So today we are going to learn what are variables in Python and how to use those variables. Okay, so I have created a file called as variables.py. I have defined this variable a equals to hello, which is in double quotes. Okay, so it's a string. B is equals to 10, so it's an integer. C equals to true and D equals to 3.4. So advantage of using Python is Python automatically figures out that this is string, this is integer, this is boolean value, this is float value. So let's use variables in our statement, and let's try it. First I'll just show you how to use variables in the statement in a plain way. So let's say I'm printing my age is value of b is 10. So it is just printing all those variables value, and it is printing this statement my age is 10. Now this is the one way to print a variable. Another way to add the variable is concatenation. So there is a concept called as concatenation in Python. So in that you just need to add plus operator in this and your further value. So this value will be concatenated with this statement. Right. Okay, so it says type error must be string not int. Okay, so this is because our b is integer, right? So it is expecting string not integer. So we can fix it by adding str. So what I just did is converted this variable which was integer earlier. I converted that variable into string. Let's try printing now. Cool, my age is 10. Okay, so we missed that space. Perfect. So now let's see how we can be so sure that Python is converting those variables into string, type, boolean. How can we be so sure? Okay, so I have created one file called as type variable. So here I have defined the same variables: a equals to hello, which is in double quotes, which is string; b equals to 10, which is integer; c equals to true, and d equals to 3.4. And I have print the type of variable. So Python will print what type of variable is this. So let's demonstrate it for our understanding. So let's open that file first. My a is hello Python 3 type c. As you can see, it has declared a as string. Print type of a is string, type of b is integer, type of c is boolean, and type of d is float. So this is the one advantage of using Python. We don't have to define data type in Python. So thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel.